In this video, I would like to introduce you to Google. Now, I've been using about more than 15 years with Google, and I just love the simplicity of it. I love the fact that it gives you 15 gigs to start off, which is pretty good. And you have a lot of essential tools that you don't need any other software, any other applications. So even this browser, the Google Chrome, is provided by Google. And when you open it, it brings you a startup page, which is very clean. No ads, no a lot of clutter that other browsers have. Very simple. And it has the main Gmail already available here. And when you click on that, you just going straight into your Gmail. And I'm going right into the Google Drive, which is drive.google.com. Okay. And as you can see here, Google provides 15 gigs of space, and this is totally free. And part of this 15 gigs is used in all the files and the emails that you receive and the files that you create using the apps provided by Google. Now, most of us are familiar with the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and the PowerPoint, which is the three programs that we use the most for production. And if you look into the new, you can see you can create Google Docs, which is the equivalent of the Microsoft Word, Google Sheets, the Excel, and the Google Slides, which is equivalent to the PowerPoint. So let's start with Google Docs. And just by looking at the options in the menus, it's pretty much the same as the Microsoft Word that you're very familiar with. And to start off, you just change the title. Give it a title. And start your document. And once you're done, you don't even have to save it. You just close it and it saves it automatically. So as you're making changes, Google Docs, okay, every now and then, every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes, it saves it automatically. So even if the electricity goes off, you would have whatever changes you made like 10 minutes ago, it will be all saved. I think it's shorter than that. So once you're done, you just close. You title the title. Let's put title 2 just in case. I have another one that's called title. There you are. This is the title. You see, the title 2 wasn't recorded because I made the changes like the last second before I closed it. But you put the 2 again, you wait a little bit, like 5 seconds or so, then close it, and it will be, So, so that's Google Docs. Now let's try one for Google Sheets. So pretty much the looks is the same as the Excels I've been using for a long time. Again, give it a title. Okay, and this is pretty much the same as Excel. Making lists and sorting out and do the calculations and things like that. Okay, and we were gonna close. There we have this sheets. And for the last one, we're gonna test out the Google Slides. And again, it's very similar to the PowerPoints that we used before, right? And give it a title. If you noticed, when I put the title first and I click on the title, it automatically types you the title that you have in the beginning of that document. It's a nice feature, but usually you want to create your own title to make sure you know what you're talking, what document you're referring to. So once you have saved it, well, it saves it by itself. So now we have the document that's titled 2 and the sheet that we tested and the PowerPoint. Now remember that these 15 gigs that Google gives you, it's a space that is not in your computer, it's out there in the world, what we call the cloud drive or cloud space in cloud computing. So if you save something on your cloud, you can go to anywhere in the world, just log in as your user, and then you'll be able to see the files without even having to carry around USB drives, dongles, or anything like that. That's what's so good about cloud computing and the Google services. So the 3 files that we have created and all the others that I had, I just got rid of them. And you want to move this into a specific folder, you say move to, and you choose where you want these moved to. So those 3 files are now inside the testing. I'm gonna get rid of this, and you just right click and they say remove, and it just removes it. So going back out, here we are in. So this is the folder that this is just quick access, where the recent files that you worked on shows first. So, and if you want to create a new folder, just go to new folder. There it is. And if we want to move these 3 files, or just let's move the test sheets, right click on the file that you want to move, you say move to, and then go back. Now you see lessons, a new folder, and you choose new folder, you want to move it there. So the file that was moved now disappeared from lessons, and now it's in new folder. So I hope you got an idea about the Google and their services, their different tools. This video is for very beginners who don't even know that Gmail or Google had other services other than the Gmail. So Good luck. Give thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thanks.